I'm Susan. Today I am trying a new Instant Pot recipe, and it's an Instant Pot dump cake. And it sounds really good, and there's only 3 ingredients. It's just butter, a cake mix, and your pie filling. So I hope it'll taste good, and I hope y'all are having a great day. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 6 tablespoons of butter, 1 box of cake mix, any flavor. I'm using yellow because that's what I have. And 2 20-ounce cans of pie filling, any flavor that you'd like. Now I bet a spice or a butter pecan would be good with that pie filling, but I didn't have that. But you think about chocolate and cherry mixed together, that would be good. So many things you could do. So let's see what we do with this. In a bowl, I'm taking my cake mix and my butter, and I'm going to cut my butter into that cake mix, and then I'm going to set that aside. Now I'm opening my cans of pie filling, and I'm going to pour them into my Instant Pot. And if I didn't mention it before, I'm using apple pie filling. Now that I got my pie filling in my Instant Pot, I'm just going to sprinkle that crumbled butter and cake mix mixture over the top. Now I'm going to cut my pressure cooker onto manual, and I'm setting it for 12 minutes, and I made sure my top was sealing. Once it's done, you want to release the pressure, and actually there wasn't any pressure. I was kind of concerned, but it was cooked. And here it is, and it was really good. It was very buttery. You can see some of the butter at the top here, and it just soaked back in there. When you remove your lid, you want to completely remove the lid because you don't want the condensation to fall back in your cake. But this was so good. My whole family enjoyed it, and it was so easy to make. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. My kitty cat's pretty happy with it, if you can hear in the background. So until next time, bye y'all.